In this video, I will show you how to check if someone has blocked you on iMessage. Watch this video till the end and let's begin. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. The very first step is to open the iMessage. See, when you send an iMessage to someone, it will appear as delivered. You can see that here on the left phone it is showing that the message has been delivered, right? But if a person blocks you on iMessage, let's block this person on iMessage. So when you block a contact, it won't appear as delivered. You can see that I have sent a message but it has not been delivered, and it is not giving you an icon of delivered. It means if someone blocks you on iMessage, then you won't see an option of delivered. So I'm unblocking this caller. So I'm sending a message again. I have received the message here, and you can see it says the message has been delivered. So a simple step is that if someone has blocked you on iMessage, then it won't appear as delivered. So this is how you can check if someone has blocked you on iMessage. For more detailed tutorial, click the first link given in the description of the video. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.